Hi guys, my name is Samantha and I'm from Sam Steer's Engineering 1320 class. This is my B2C video, and my biological model is a dog. So when I think of a dog, I think of its nose. I know it can smell. And in the real world, I know that a dog can smell out drugs, explosives, or even dead bodies if trained properly. In research, I found out that a dog has the ability to smell and respond to different viruses, even from the same family. Using the olfactory generalization, a dog can detect whether it's a positive test or a negative test, but there is complications and testing going on with COVID, um, with detecting false negative or false positive results. And this is in airports, in social gatherings such as marathons, or even hospitals. Now, I was thinking we could utilize their sense of smell by improving our just tests in general. At-home kits would be perfect, just because people don't want to leave their houses. You would have to have human saliva and, of course, the dog's ability to smell. I drew a little picture of what I think should be invented, which is like just mimicking a thermometer gun, but it sucks up saliva and it immediately gives you a test of whether you have COVID or the flu or any other virus. All right, thank you.